There are windows in every seat. It was probably Brendan, actually. Should I run Brendan? Oh, shut up.
Except I was searching online just to make sure there wasn't any, and I did find a YouTube channel. It's called Rider Skate. But we could probably see whatever like what else the Rider Skate.
I swear to God, when we're asking, I'm gonna.
Oh, hi, Chris.
Aaron, we should actually please.
Don't even talk to me.
No, I want you to punch him.
I want you to.
Okay, I'll say it so Bryce gets punched too. Just and someone can make a punch. No, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. She won't punch me.
Doesn't work out.
Chris, oh wait,
Shut
you need to get. I didn't get punched. You need to get one of the business cards.
We're on the vibe.
You need to get one of the business cards to Haley. Right? I'm gonna check one of the business cards to Haley.
Give him the.
Also, right.
I swear to God.
Haley.
You will be fine.
I know. Can you keep all of that? Can you? Oh, I can ride the body.